things are looking a little bit prettier today.
So I'm wearing here my Judo Gangs t-shirt. It's got a Brazilian flag. It's got a Brazilian flag on this side and a Japanese flag on the other. And some text, and it says basically if you are afraid of losing, you already lost. So in this video I'm gonna talk about my 3-month experience studying Japanese, and I'm kind of late for that because it's already been kind of 10 days since I hit the 3-month, the 3-month mark. But I'm making the video today. So when I hit my 3-month mark, I had about 1,200 cards, and I'm still keeping on making sentences for Anki and using spaced repetition. And as for listening, I need to do more real listening, and that's like watching stuff without subtitles. I've been watching anime, but I've been using subtitles, and it would have been better if I've already kind of done more of this, of watching anime without subtitles. I thought about choosing a show and watching it without subtitles, and the first one that came in mind was Bleach, because I watched it a few years ago and maybe it would be a great idea. And I think it would be a great idea if I watch it without subtitles right now. That's gonna help me improve my listening, and without any subtitles, that's how you do it. About the SRS and sentences, that helped me a lot in becoming a better reader of Japanese, and now I'm more comfortable reading some YouTube comments and stuff like that. Now that I already have enough vocabulary to take quite a lot, it's only a few times I can understand the whole comment, but I've improved a lot. So from now on, I'll try to do more listening without subtitles, just paying attention to the image and pay attention to the characters' voices, and that'll force me to try to, to do all that stuff. My brain's gonna do all that stuff, and it's gonna try to understand something. And I have been understanding and taking a few stuff I've been studying in Japanese from anime, even though I'm using subtitles. I can take some expressions and words I learned, and sometimes whole phrases I can understand. Of course, the subtitles kind of help me to link that, and it's easier to understand the subtitles, even the stuff I know. And that's because the real challenge is to turn off the subtitles. When you turn off the subtitles, you get a little bit afraid, but it's just something you have to go through, and in no time it will be gone and you're gonna be understanding stuff. And I'll just keep doing my sentences, doing my Anki, adding sentences, taking the vocabulary, because I really need a lot of vocabulary. Maybe I still believe by the end of the year I'll be able to read a book. I mean, there is still gonna be a lot of stuff I don't know in the book, but yeah, I'll take something from the book. So from now on, it's just sentence making, revising Anki, and doing the listening stuff. So this was just a quick video. I hope you're getting inspired by my progress. I'm really making progress, and if you wanna see more of my progress, please subscribe, like this video and stuff, and I'm gonna be bringing more videos to this channel. And also this channel is kind of forcing me to speak more English, because in my day-by-day life I don't have any opportunity to speak English normally. It's just Portuguese all the time, and the only place I can use English is on the internet, and This is why my spoken English is kind of rusted and I really have to train it. Um, I only remember doing a few video calls and audio calls in 2018. Maybe I did a few in 2018, like with native people. So I really hope that that this video helped you, and if you would like to support me, and if you support me, you're not only motivating me to study Japanese, but you're motivating me to speak English, and that's gonna make me a better English speaker. By the time kind of fluent in Japanese, maybe I'm gonna be more fluent in English and gonna be able to speak a lot of stuff, to give speeches to the world without stammering and stuff. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. I see you next time.